Hey guys, it's Jose and I'm back for another reaction video. Thank you so much for the support on my first anime reaction video, which was for Attack on Titan, all the openings 1 through 9, the overwhelming support, the overwhelming comments. Thank you so much, guys. It truly means a lot. And I got more requests for anime, and I'm so happy you guys enjoyed it and actually want to see more. So I'm gonna do more, and this video is going to be Chainsaw Man. I've never heard of this. This is the first time that I hear about this anime. Chainsaw Man, what an interesting title. I like that. Chainsaw Man. I don't know, I just like it. This is the opening and endings. So apparently there's only one opening and multiple endings. That's what I've seen when I was researching, and I found a video that has all of them together, which is helpful for me. So without further ado, let's get into it, because this is a pretty long video and I want to be able to comment on each like I did in my Attack on Titan opening video. Thank you guys for all the support again. Let's get into this. Let's go. Here we go. Press play. Kickback. So this has to be the opening. Oh, that was cute. Oh! Did he? Are those chainsaws that grew out of his head and arms? Oh, that is cool. Hey, yeah, that's how I feel. The way they were dancing. So that was the opening. What? That was fun. It was a mix of everything. I think it did a really good job of encapsulating maybe what the entire show is about. Like, we have friends introducing us, like at the beginning when they're like in the movie theater, hanging out. We get to see them all lined up, well, sitting down, but you know what I mean. And then we get to see the one that's like the Chainsaw Man, I'm assuming. So he takes something that this girl gives him and he turns into the Chainsaw Man. He literally had a chainsaw growing out of his head and arms. And then the animation goes even more chaotic. I like that. I also really like that they included those shots of like some of the characters like dancing, because it was like, yeah, that's how I felt with the song. Like, it matched perfectly. Then that little orange thing with the chainsaw too is like really cute, and I think at one point the guy who is the Chainsaw Man was hugging him. I'm like super intrigued. I cannot wait for you guys to tell me. You don't have to, but I know some of you will like to introduce me into like what exactly this is about. This opening also didn't give me much to go off of. Like, I'm still like, oh, what does that mean? What is that image? At some point I feel like he's fighting, but I couldn't really tell like what or who. Definitely interested, which I believe that's the whole point of an opening. Okay, here we go. I believe now we're going into endings. There's only one opening. You guys could like clarify, but I think I read it right, that there's only one opening, and now we're starting off with the first ending. This is Vondi Chainsaw Blood. Oh, the chainsaw. Were those zombies? Whoa. Oh, this one's graphic. this is cool. Oh! There will be blood. This is a bop. Oh, so it bites him and he turns into Chainsaw Man? I'm just assuming. Vondi Chainsaw Blood. It had to have been that. That kind of explains it now. But in the opening, it was like a candy or something that he ate. You know what? At the end of the day, if I really want to know, I should get into the actual anime. Let me just say right now, we got more to go, but you guys, that song is already number one. Because that is the song that like you listen to the band or the singer live and you go to their show. That like this is a song that like is pretty good. I guess it's as simple as that. Like that's a really good song. Like I was like jamming out, like yeah. Okay, I can't sing, but you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, this one was way more graphic, more violence, more blood. I mean, it did say Chainsaw Blood, so it's like it's living up to the name. It's super, super, super cool. Very graphic though, but there was a lot of like eyeballs and then brains. So it's like, is it giving zombie? But again, he could be fighting all types of things, enemies, creatures, whatever. I'm so intrigued. Like it just piqued my interest even more. Let's keep going. This is the second opening. I mean, closing. Ending. Oh, wow. The animation is different. And we got a female singer. I remember her from the opening. Oh, the guitar! Come on, piano or keyboard. And then it's focusing a lot on her too. She's getting a lot of screen time, the female voice. It makes sense. Good. That was cute. That was a cute bop. Cutie, sexy, lovely. That's immediately made me think of that phrase from Jimin with this because it just matched that. I also thought of when they were showing the rooms. It was giving. You know how you put like a screensaver, or maybe it doesn't even have to be a screensaver. You put on like the lo-fi music when you're like studying or just chilling or whatever. That's like what you would be putting as your on your screen or with the video. It matches that vibe. So I really like that. It's like very chill, relaxed, like the song, even though the song was pretty upbeat, but it was like cute. So it gave that vibe. And also, like I stated, it's more on the girl. She got more screen time. I don't even think I saw her in the first closing. Why do I keep saying closing? The first ending. Yeah, and then the guitar in the back, the bass. Ooh, that was good. That was good. Okay, here we go. Third ending. Ooh, red is the color. Oh. Okay, this is really cool. Oh shit. You better switch it up. So it lives inside him. Which I think I'm putting the puzzle pieces together. You better fucking work, Chainsaw Man. Actually, I don't know what the name of that one was. It's in Japanese. As far as the visuals go, guys, that is my favorite. Oh my god, that was so trippy. That was so technology based, like distortion, like with the whole like matching. We even heard it, like, you know, when you have like a technical malfunction or there's like a virus or something like going on, you hear like the digital distortion, all that. It matched the visual too. The neon colors, the red. But these visuals are like so intriguing, so like interesting, so creative. Oh my lord, this is everything. Like the way they switch it up on every single one. You gotta give it up to the animators. Yes, the musicians too, because that was everything. How it switched up, and then it matched that heavenly vibe when that girl appears and she's like ascending, or she's in the sky or floating or something, and he's like looking up at her. It's like, you saw it. You saw it. Like, this is, oh. And I think I'm putting it together. Like I said, I think that little creature lives inside him. He pulls it and then he transforms. Watch me be completely wrong. Anyway, let's get into the fourth ending. Okay, this is focused on her. Okay. She's letting us know I can be whatever you want me to be. Or I can be whatever I want to be. Oh! It was like they were lip syncing the song. You gotta pay attention. It's going to the beat of the song. I'm giving up on ranking these because you cannot. Each one is so different. It is so creative. It is so unique from the others. There's no way I can. I guess I could rank in the sense of like my favorite, but not like, oh, this one's better than the other. No, each one deserves its own respect. That one, like, wow, that was so fun. It gave me like like a commercial, but it also gave me like comic strip, like or a comic book. It gave me also like almost video game style too at some points. It was so totally focused on her, if you notice. And I like that little part where it was almost like they were lip syncing to the song. And pay close attention, the editor. Ooh, hats off to you, because you made that go to every single part of the animation, the graphic, the visual went with the song. In some way, shape, or form, it went to it, whether it was the edit or the way that the character moved. Pay close attention, rewatch that one. It's fun. And I guess it's showing like her in different roles. Like this is something that she does. She can change like that. You guys, again, it's a theory. It's my assumption. I'm not claiming it to be true. I'm just trying to figure it out. Here we go. This is going to be ending number 5. I'm telling you. Come on, abstract. Oh, this is very artistic. Yeah, like paintings, artwork. Oh, and like the different types of horses. Ooh. The illusion of it all. I feel like I'm doing the same hand motion. You guys, come on. That one, like ending number 2, is one of my favorite songs. And I gotta say the visual too, because I love art, paintings. This was giving artistry. Very visual, very optical illusions. Like, it's just like so cool. I wonder what it is in reference to with the show. Because at one point it was like I don't know if it was robotic, but it was like made out of like maybe pieces of metal. Then we had like a fluffy one, like a almost unicorn, like fluffy stuffed animal. And then the first one was like the normal horse. And then it went from random one to another random one. And then we moved. And then there was one where like the main character was sitting like in just a white room. And that one almost gave off like a 3D animation style. Girl, let's just keep going. Here we go. Canaria? Is that ending number 6? Ooh, a bullet with veins? Technologic. Oh, so we say goodbye to some characters in this show. And then the door closes. We were falling into the door and we're now in, or we're closed out. Ooh, it depends on how you interpret it. But that one was very straightforward. There was a lot of visuals. There was, like, we saw animation, we saw the portraits, the frames, and then we saw the characters, right? But throughout it was just like we're in the same room, if you will. It was very optical illusion. It's again like with the stairs and then the spiral, and it's like we're in a trance. We're falling. We're in. Some of those portraits though did have like maybe sad moments, serious moments. Some of them were like a little more positive, lighthearted maybe. And then at the end, like, the main character falls in and he smiles. I don't think I got anything from this one as far as story-wise, like trying to put pieces together. That's just me though. Maybe you guys are like back home like Jose that literally gave you a lot of clues, but you just don't get it. Like I said, I probably have to watch the show. I love the little funky twist of that song though. That was really, really nice to hear that. Not me trying to like sing to the instrument when I can't do that. Okay, let's just go into number 7. Oh, very retro. 80s. 8-bit, yeah. Even the TV. Ooh, I wonder if those were the lyrics. Oh. Oh, another girl. So he has like 2 girls? Oh, well. But again with the trippy visuals. There were lip syncing. The food. Not me getting excited with the food. They got me with that one at the end of the food. Hey. But that visual of her like throwing up into his mouth, but it was like all these neon like trippy visuals and like they're like together, almost like melting together. Like, but that was another girl, and she also had an eye patch. More questions arise and less answers are given. But yeah, that one was super, super cute. Another female-led vocal. That one totally 80s at the beginning, and then we switched it to like the normal animation style, but we went back to it at the end. It was like sandwiched in between like the 80s vibe, the retro, and then it was like giving 8-bit, like if it was a video game as well, but also showing you a little bit more where he's like in love with the girl with the horns, but he's also falling for the other girl. Love triangle. Ooh, did I just figure out a storyline? Okay, here we go. Ending number 8. Ooh, what is called First Death. We're at a cemetery. Ooh. Oh, life and then death. Yeah, this is all about death. Damn. So obviously this was a little more serious, a little more dark. I noticed that a lot of the shots where we were on the ground, looking up at the characters. It was very much like we're with the dead if you pay close attention. I don't know if that was the intention, but that's what I interpreted from that. A lot of the visuals, like we were on the ground looking up. Wow. Ooh, that's kind of deep. now that I think about it. If it has something to do with like, obviously it has something to do with the show, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. Like, if it's like a storyline, you know what I mean, where it's like we say maybe goodbye to a main character that we are like super sad or something like that. Like we're pretty much we're depressed, where it's a very dark turn in the show. Again, just a theory. That song is also so good. Like I was transported to like this venue that's like close to my house, where my boyfriend and I have watched like shows. I could totally see myself rocking out to the band or the artist who's like playing the song, and it's just like, yeah, like it's so good. But yeah, definitely about life and death, focusing a lot on that, because the flowers were such a poignant like image, like the life, and then like choom, they're all dead. Here we go, ending number 9, Aimer, Deep Down. Ooh. I think we have our first slow song. Oh, that was pretty. What am I looking at? Are those organs? Wow, it's like DNA, organs, blood. Ooh, ooh. This is my favorite visual, guys. Deep, deep, deep down. Ah! That was magic to my ears. This is my favorite one. Again, I'm not ranking like which one's the best or anything like that, because each one is so unique. But this one is my favorite one, visual wise. I was like, I could not stop looking. Do you know what I mean? Like, it was like, okay, and then what is it going to turn into? And then what is that going to do? And then how is that going to connect? It's like, it was never ending. I love that. Continuous, like that, the blood, organs, muscle, maybe. It was so interesting. And then the skull came out, and then that like face, like ripping apart, like, wow. Simple. Gray, white, black, I would say, and then like red. Very simple, but heavy on the art. And the singer, wow, hats off to the vocalist. Okay, here we go, ending number 10. People One, Dogland. Oh, we're in his point of view. Oh, that was cool. Like we were the camera. Okay, so I was like X-ray, the style, the visual. Um, Also, you know how sometimes films or TV shows, when it comes to animation, or it doesn't have to be animation, but when the movie comes out or before it comes out, like they tease sometimes, or in the behind the scenes of the DVD or Blu-ray, whatever it is, the extras of the movie, they show you the concept art, the illustration that they came up with for the movie. It was that the characters were like, if it they were the drawing and they were animated. It was like, this is the concept art that we're thinking of. That's the visual that we got. Again, it's very interesting because I want to know, like, how does that fit into the show? Does it, or is it just a random visual that they came up with? It doesn't have to be part of it, but I feel like they do. I feel like they're so unique that they have to, right? But it's also like, maybe on the other hand, they're so unique that they don't have to be tied with the show. Like, this actually comes out in the show, you know what I mean? It's just the way that they wanted to do an ending of the show. I did like that little twist. Like, I didn't notice that it was us. We weren't in the point of view of his point of view, the character, because it was like, at one point we're just moving around and like, wait, we're just going to show you all these things, but no, it's actually what he is watching, and we get to find that out when he's like running and we see his hands. So it's like us, you know. Okay, here we go. Ending 11. Violence. Hey. I'm at the club. Yes, that's me. Hashtag me. Bitch, why does this make me think of like The Matrix? See what I mean? Like, it's like 2D slash 3D. That visual right there when he grabs, I don't even know if it's blood, but I'm gonna say it's blood, and then it just like goes everywhere. That's so freaking cool. Like, the explosion, the art is so freaking good, you guys. The animators, chef's kiss. Come on, that one is my favorite song, I gotta say. It made me think of The Matrix with all the digital and like all the little graphics that they were throwing in there. And then at one point when like the Chainsaw Man, the character, the main guy, is like doing a flip in the air, and then it transitions to her. It's so cool. And she lands on like the chips, like the little like it looked like computer chips and stuff like that. So it was like very Matrix like, but black and white, not green, obviously. But yeah, like, yo, that one is my favorite song for the endings. And she is me, I am her. Because literally that song was that. Like, yeah. Oh, nothing. I'm just at the club. Yeah, that was me. Here we go. The final ending. You see how it's cutting at the beat? Ta, ta, ta. Oh, that was so cool. So these are the three amigos, the three musketeers.
かり合って生きてる人生に損した衝動にめいている化けをまとったって役に立つ居場所があるなら夜はまだ明けぬなら夢を見よう僕にだってね未来にかけて祈るような線光に目を向かせ時にらせんでいてちぎりよが
Oh my god, the food looks so good. That's, you know, when you did a good animation. When the food looks good. Wow, you guys, that totally gave the vibe of being the final ending. Friendship. It was all about friendship. Them three, like the main characters. Now I know those are the three characters. I mean, I actually figured the main guy, the girl, and then I wasn't sure, but now it makes sense because he was in a lot of them with the ponytail, the guy with the black ponytail. And it was so cute. Like they were shopping, hanging out together, eating together. So obviously they're roommates, I think. They live together. It was so freaking cute. And then like when they're in the grocery store and the guy with the ponytail, he just looks to the side and smiles like, this is family. They are family. And it totally gave off the vibe of the most family friendly one. This is like the most simple, straightforward ending, straight to the point, simple. Like it's about them. This is what this show is all about. At the end of the day, this is who we're rooting for. This is who we are with. This is who we love when it comes to this show. And it totally gave the song too. It totally matched that. It gave off that like warmth, cozy feeling. Woo! Guys, that was a lot because it was like 12 endings. The opening, that's 13 videos and explanations that I tried to explain with you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much once again for all your support, all the love. It truly means everything, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Which one is your favorite? Do you have a favorite? Thank you so much, guys. I'm so intrigued. Chainsaw Man is so interesting to me. It's another one that I gotta check out. Like I have to. How can you not after seeing this, right? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you on the next one. Adios.